Good day, people, and welcome to Complete Email. And today we're going to be talking about email marketing trends in 2023. These will be based on the predictions from 20 experts. Complete Email. Last year was a good year for email. The disruptions on social media, the popularity of AI-generated content, and ongoing improvements like accelerated mobile pages for email. Now there's a greater expectation for 2023, especially after getting the views of experts. Here are the trends we see for 2023. Increased optimization for dark mode users to improve CTR and personalization. Dark mode is a display option for apps, computer screens, and many smart devices. And these flip the colors and the background with light text. Dark mode switches your email's colors as well. So in addition to outlining your PNG images, you should choose contrasting colors for your emails, like dark gray or white. Reading a screen in dark mode alleviates eye strain and can reduce battery usage. Sending emails compatible with dark mode will boost your sender reputation. And that just makes sense. Better emails for more people will result in more opens, clicks, and better deliverability. A recent study showed that 81.9% of smartphone users use dark mode. And since 82% of all emails are now read on mobile devices, it's time for email marketers to start optimizing. If you aren't optimizing your emails in dark mode, it's time to do so in 2023, says Emily Maguire, who's an email strategist at Atlassian. AI assistants in content creation like writing and images. You have probably heard of ChatGPT if you're up to date on AI assistants. It's an open source AI writing tool that you can interact with like it's a person. Other tools like ChatGPT, Copy AI, and Canva's magic writing tool have seen a surge in popularity. That has queued them up to be one of the big email marketing trends for 2023. AI tools can compose the perfect email, create summaries, propose subject lines, draft headlines, and create images as well. All while using proven copywriting formulas, the tone of voice, and word count, if you tell it to. For organizations, this means that time spent on those tasks and the cost of email marketing can go down. Or the investment can go into other areas like email marketing, strategy, and automation, says Radek Kaczynski, founder and CEO of Bouncer. If you want to get involved with this type of content, it's time to practice prompts. According to the experts, the key to effectively using AI in your emails is knowing what to ask the AI in the first place. AI image being generated in an email using DALL-E. Imagine tracking where a package is without even having to leave an email. That's just the beginning of what AMP for email can do. You implement this by finding AMP for email in many email service providers. After doing so, you set up your account for the AMP for email and think about which interactive elements would make sense for your emails. More AMP for email usage, specifically for transactional emails, but also to create engaging content. AMP for email is a framework to make your emails interactive and dynamic. You can make your emails interactive in many ways with this technology. Imagine a poll that you can take directly in an email or a carousel that allows you to click through multiple images. Convenient, right? AMP for email has been around for years, but as more ISPs start to support it, with the most recent being Yahoo, email marketers will start to implement it. 2023 could be the tipping point for AMP for email. That brings into mainstream email marketing trends. Brands which adopt such solutions will drive greater user satisfaction and provide a better experience for their subscribers. In addition to being fun and interactive, AMP for email is also useful, says Aweber product manager Dave Stiles. In 2023, I'm expecting interactive emails to really catch on. The first place you'll see them is in transactional emails like real-time order tracking and shipping statuses, product ratings and reviews, appointment scheduling, subscription and account confirmation. Email marketers will seek out alternative metrics to open rates in a post-Apple MPP world. As of 2021, any emails you'd send to people who use Apple Mail are subject to Apple Mail privacy protection. What does this mean? Well, for email marketers, it means your open rates will likely appear higher, sometimes much higher than they truly are. After a year of sending emails in this post-Apple MPP world, marketers are finding more accurate and important metrics than open rate to assess the success of their email campaigns. A major trend for 2023 is the drifting away from basic metrics like open rates and toward more meaningful KPIs. Coming from Anne Handley, who's a digital marketing and content expert. She then goes on to say, it's partly driven by new data privacy rules, making open rates chaotic and unreliable. Yet it's also driven by our need to use email more strategically. What you should do is to identify the key metrics to track success in your own campaigns. Is this from clicks? Is it from sales? Or any other engagement metrics? It might be a time to encourage more in-email engagement with AMP for email. More businesses will implement BMe and DMARC for email authentication and brand authority. Brand indicators for message identification is a new set of verification for your emails, alongside SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. When you have BMe enabled, a brand logo will appear in the inbox next to your message. This is beneficial because BMe can help boost your brand's visibility, build brand recognition, and reinforce trust. When readers see your emails in their inbox with a verified brand logo, they know it's not a phishing or spam email. If you want to get ahead of the game, set up BMe for your email domain and stand out from the crowd before this becomes commonplace. To do this, here's what you'll need: an SVG file of your logo, access to change your domain DNS. Click on this link to view my video on setting up BMe. Creators and businesses will shift from social media towards email. Creators have already been moving their audiences to email in 2022 to contend with the fear of temporary social media bans and the drive to build closer connections. But 2023 could very well mark the switch from forward-thinking people to most creators asking their audiences to connect via email. And even an audience would need to be understanding of the need to do so. What sparked this was how 2022 marked obvious turmoil with Twitter, but also questions about US legal ban on TikTok and a decline in Instagram's algorithm and popularity. All this resulting in insecurity for those who depend on social media for their marketing or livelihood. What you should do is, if you depend on social media marketing, work to convert your social media followers into email subscribers. This can include creating lead magnets and incentivizing your followers to opt in to your email list. Test out ways to connect with your social audience on different channels. It's time to stop trusting social media companies with your newsletter, says Aweber head of product Chris Vasquez. With Twitter shutting down Review and Facebook shutting Bulletin, 2023 is the year when creators need to choose a partner who does email as their thing, not as an add-on. Thank you for watching and have a great day.